today we're going to be discussing nail stamping polish versus regular polish. Can you see the difference? This is our BAM white. This is regular polish. This is the OPI. It's not as opaque as our BAM white, but if you're in a pinch and you don't have our BAM white, I would use that as a substitute. So now we're gonna go ahead and compare the finger paints, blue, and I have Midnight Madness for our Maniology. You can clearly tell the difference. I think maybe you would have to try finger paint maybe other colors and experiment, but with this one, didn't work. What's our next color lineup? I know it's not an exact dupe color, but I think this is the closest I could find. So I got Viper and this one, the Just in Wine. Not bad. I think the Insta Dry works really well. I think it's a go. Okay, so the next colors I have is red. This is Maniology. This is China Glaze. If I had to use it, for sure, I would use it. But I think did a pretty solid job. So what's in the next color profile? So this is the Maniology and this is the Koki. Aside from color difference, I think, again, the Maniology for this kind of light color, definitely more opaque, but I like this lighter color too though. And I have one more color. So this one I'm using Pasture and this is the Nail Boo. I think it's obvious which one I would recommend to stamp with. As far as clarity, looks pretty clear to me. The line work looks pretty clear, but clearly it's missing in pigmentation. You could probably get away with this if this is in your collection. If not, just use it as a really cool base color. So I think we found some really good items. If any of you have any of these brands, I would say experiment.